Good afternoon, it's Jackstar reporting to you from Melbourne, Australia. And I'm here with the beautiful Helia Singh. Thank you for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
I met her over the weekend at an incredible course we did, Money, Media and Profile. And we were discussing finance and tapping, a new technique of tapping, bringing into understanding our relationship with money and finance. And Helia, she's been in the industry now for about 16 years teaching finance, and she has a new technique that she's now introducing, which takes us right back to our own core beliefs and understanding with our relationship with money. So I'd love you to explain more.
Sure. This was actually, I learned about this technique through my personal journey. And I found out that we all have some level of sabotage when it comes to money. We always think that, money, we should leave it to the boys, especially for women. And also that, money is a dirty thing. So, and it's an unspoken matter. But that's the reality of life. We all need money. Yes. But money is just the exchange of value. If we sell ourselves short, that means we didn't value ourselves. And that's something, if we can fix our own money blueprint, we can get what we deserve.
Our money blueprint, I like that.
Yes.
So it's really taking it back to our own core beliefs initially and understanding that. So tell us about the tapping.
Yeah, sure. With the tapping, you can acknowledge where you are at, which is that's the first step to fixing any problem, is the acknowledgement. That take the control. That's where you are in control, and you know you have the power to fix it. And then you can go through your meridian points and just believe and just understand where your self-sabotaging is, whether that comes your money blueprint that you have currently, is it comes from your background, is it comes from family, is it from media, and try to fix it there. So to fix anything, you have to go to the root of problem.
Yeah, well, it totally makes sense. I'm sure there's many women out there that love this kind of information and taking it back to the root of these problems.
Sure, because the financial products are just there for everyone. Anybody can go to any banks or any advisor and get a financial product. But will they do it? Will they go based on that plan? Is that plan is suitable to them? No, obviously not. And the reason is because if you don't know your own belief system, how can you be putting your money and faith into a product?
Yeah, that totally makes sense. And these are the kind of information that makes sense for us to interpret and understand. I mean, for me, with finance, it's always been like, but, it's nice to also have a woman's feedback as well, feeling safe in that environment to want to understand it more. And one thing I found interesting was that, that fear of success that you mentioned.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. I think we talked about it before, that many people, and obviously many of my clients who come to me, have noticed the reason that they are not making a correct financial decision is because they have the fear of failure. Which is very common. I think all your audience will know about this. And but this next level of fear that I've discovered was the fear of success, which that was something
interesting.
I was having problem with that myself. Because I've noticed that for many years I was stuck at a level that I was there, no matter how much I was working hard and doing things, but my level of income was the same.
Yes.
And that I've noticed that, yes, it's because of I had the fear of success. That what if I'm successful? What if this goes more? What if I'm going to lose my family, my husband, my kids, because I have to spend more time away from them? Or what if I'm going to lose my friends and family? So, and this is how I went back and fixed that. And and my business definitely blossomed more. And in the last year, since last year, I wrote a couple of books.
Yes, two books on Amazon.
Yes. One is How to Save Money When There Is No Money.
Perfect. How to save money when there is no money.
Yes.
Number one.
And the second one is 11 Property Myths Busted.
11 Properties Meets Busted. Two books that you can find on Amazon. You can also find Helia at abfs.com.au.
Is that AFBS?
AFBS.com.au. Yes, excellent. These are words of wisdom. This is the difference between thriving and surviving. So this is a technique that you could get into and understand to really make that change so we can prosper together. So thank you for your beautiful wisdom.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. for having me.
Thanks, Elia.